Good morning. Currently raining heavily. Well, not at the moment, but it was. Anyway, it's March Madness. Babe, what's today's date? March 13th?
13th, yeah, Friday.
Friday 13th. I'm heading out to the stores to get supplies and like food. We are in the state of emergency, so I don't even know if anything's gonna be on the shelf. Yeah, come along, let's see how this goes. Okay, heading out.
Well, this is what's happening. Great. What am I gonna do without pasta?
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
I was gonna do the same thing. One chicken
Yeah.
tonight.
This is great. Oh Lord.
This is from listening pictures from Florida of the alcohol, medicine, wipes,
Oh my,
some shelf pile.
completely out?
Just like that. Yeah.
Nuts. I need my baby formula and they don't have it here, so I gotta get it.
I was trying to get this fridge looking a little nicer and more organized so that I can just grab a grape or grab an apple. You know? Where are the seltzers gonna go?
See?
We have A1, babe. Mac and cheese.
See?
Strawberries to be healthy.
Hello. Can I get black tea lemonade sweetened, but can I get a grande in a venti cup with extra ice?
Thank you. Have a good
Thank
day.
you. Can you just throw this out for me? Thank you so much. Oh, that's so good. Oh my goodness. Except for the paper straw. Paper straw. See you. There she is. Hello. I just filmed my baby. I love you. My anxiety video, whatever, all those things. But how cute is this headband? Thank you, Sam, because she bought it first at Forever 21 and it's so freaking cute. Love it. What are you doing over there? Did you just sleepies? Are you so sleepies? And look, I'm wearing mascara on the bottom, and I never do that, so. Hey guys. I think this is the first time I'm picking up the camera during quarantine. I could be wrong. I don't know. But I will say that, yes, I will say it's been not good. Like the first couple days, okay. And then like, honestly, shit been hitting the fan. On another note, banged my toe on the wall and there's a cut right now. And I got a paper cut on my, underneath my nail. Whatever. I just feel really drained from my own energy, my own issues, my own mental health, to like the mental health of others. This is just insane, you know. It's just insane. But on a lighter note, I am going to hopefully clean, do something productive, because I have not really been productive all week. Yesterday we decided we were gonna have Domino's for dinner tonight, so that is what I'm looking forward to. Hi, wild girl. Hi. Oh, you are just like in need of some wiping.
My mouth is all drooly. Why are you teething right now in this quarantine? And here it is.
Yeah, damn, no matter.
You got it. Clearly, I need a reset day. So, I think let's reset right now. Give me 5. Yeah! What do you think of my flyaways? And this little thing here, the situation. Mariah, do you like it? Be honest. Ah. So I may need another reboot day. Babe, what's the guy's name that we're gonna watch?
I don't know his actual name,
We're
babe.
gonna watch Comedian Babe.
The Italian comedian. She really likes Italian comedians.
Yeah, I'm racist like that. Sorry, the house is upside down again. Just cleaned it. Yeah. Oh my. Oh, Domino's pizza. Ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. I think I'll have a clementine as a snack. Maybe a little Caesar salad. Got plums too. Plums remind me of like the beach. My mom used to pack like sandwiches, plums, hard-boiled eggs. Just, I don't know why. Hopefully we will all be able to go to the beach this summer. Hi guys, we are in the same shirt as yesterday because you know what? Why not? I did wax my lip, which has been great, but I really should have self-tanned today just so I could feel better, you know? Anyway, we just went for a walk. It is so gorgeous out. It's like in the 60s, sunny, it was so warm. It's amazing. How are you guys doing in quarantine? I feel like every video is like the same thing, talking about quarantine, but I am curious to know my subscribers, like what you're doing, what part of the country are you in? Because I know some of you are from other countries. What's going on there? What, like, how are you feeling? Are you struggling with anxiety? Talk to me. Oh, it's a gorgeous day and people are out washing their cars. I just cleaned out mine. I mean, it's not washed or anything, but it is nice. All the garbage is picked up and I kind of wiped down everything, but you know, it just feels good to do that. Guess what I'm getting? Starbucks! What do you think I'm getting? Oh, she's on a roller skate. Yes, but you don't add extra sweetener to that? Or do you? Okay. Okay, perfect. So the person in front of me paid for my drink, so I'm paying for the person behind me. I guess like it's been happening. People are just paying for each other. It's so cute.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
And do you mind giving me an extra straw? Because these no. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Aw, that was so nice.
say. Yes, thank you, Laura. So cute. You know what, I'm gonna do that next time without someone doing that for me. Ew. Have you noticed like people are like so much nicer, or do you feel like people have been ruder? I'm gonna go, I'm gonna enjoy this. I love you guys. Ciao. I love you. I love you. Alright. You fix something, Sam?
You try to see.
Hi guys. Why am I so close here? There we go. Well, Scoochie. So we are resetting, restarting. This is a new chapter, new era. Just a new for everyone, okay? Let this quarantine and everything be the beginning of the new you, okay? So anyway, we are doing it. So I'm actually somewhat in normal clothes today for the first time probably. And I'm going to the supermarket, and I don't care if it gets side eyes. Don't care. I have my own thoughts on this whole thing, and I'm not even gonna get into it because it's gonna start a whole debate. We're not gonna go there. Maybe one day. All right, let's do this. Babe, hold down the fort.
Yeah.
Wow, so beautiful. 63 degrees. Feels like 73. Whole Foods and another supermarket. Let's see here. Okay, all I'm gonna say is this, okay? Be alert. Don't believe the media, everything the media says. Pray for wisdom. Do your research. Go with your gut, but also don't be stupid.
Starting route to Whole Foods Market.
Doesn't mean that it's not a virus. I do believe it's a virus. But if you just strictly believe that it's a virus, try to have an open mind and try to do your research. You know what, not even that. Like, just pray for wisdom. Because in the end times, it says that all this stuff is going to happen. And for the believers, there's going to be believers that are confused. There's going to be believers that that are ignorant to truth. And so, I'm not saying this right now is the end time, but I'm saying you don't know really what's going on. No one does. I don't. So, be aware, be alert. Say your prayers. Oh my gosh. Freaking hot.
This is for the girls that don't need no makeup when they wake up.
So, this vlog, guys, what did I want to say? Yeah, I have been going going through quite a few different like emotional, spiritual awakenings. I've just been going through some transitions right now, and so is my husband. But it's nice to have that your partner relate to you. Yeah, I know I've been a drag, and I know that I've been so like, I feel like wishy-washy. And it's just time for a change, you know. And I know this period of time where I haven't been on has been really good for my soul and really good for my mind, and it was forced. It was forced. I didn't think.
Take exit 41A on the left on.
But from here on out, like, I am working on me, and I am working on me for the better, and from here on out, we have restarted.